What I think sets our program apart from others around the country is just how it's set up. So imagine getting the freedom to start a brand new program from scratch based on experiences from recent graduates that both had good and bad co-op experiences. And what we did, we were able to take what we liked from those experiences and what we could improve on and tailor a brand new program focused around students.
I think one of the things that our co-ops are pleasantly surprised by when they start with us is the challenge that they'll be able to rise to when they get here. So we're not just going to have our co-ops to do mundane tasks that anybody could do. We're going to challenge them to figure out, is this the industry that they want to be a part of? Is this the type of role that they want to be a part of? And the best way to do that is really get them exposed to all facets of our project, whether that's the business side, the financial side of projects, is that the construction side of projects and how designs get implemented, or the design phase, working with our design engineers to figure out how we're going to tackle problems and design systems to save energy.
What makes me really passionate about developing co-ops in the Mid-Atlantic region specifically is just how much work we have going on and how much valuable experience we can give to these co-ops. We have so many projects in different phases of development, so being able to offer really a well-rounded experience to our co-ops helps build their skill sets, but also lets them see all the different parts of a project from start to finish at CMTA.
So coming from the position of a former co-op, I understand how important it is to have meaning and purpose behind your work and feel like you're a contributing member of the team. So that was very important to me when we started the Nashville co-op program, to make sure that we are engaging those students in actual work and giving them real responsibilities. So they feel like they're a real member of the team because they are, and also to kind of help boost their confidence and their drive to become successful team members.
In the end, we want our students to have such good experience that they want to share that experience with other students. We want them to talk about what they were able to be exposed to. We want them to share and talk about what CMTA's culture is like, and to be excited about the future of our industry as much as we are.
We are very intentional about incorporating feedback that we get from co-ops so that we can not only figure out if they're the right fit for CMTA, but also continue to enhance their skill sets and make sure that CMTA is the right fit for them.
I'm really proud of our co-op program because when students return to school, they will have the unique opportunity to tell their peers that they got the chance to work on real projects. They weren't stuck in a corner doing busy work. They were getting hands-on construction experience, or they were drawing real design drawings that were going to be stamped and used on an actual construction site. And I feel we're really unique in this sense where we tell our co-op students the sky's the limit. They are ultimately responsible for making their experience, and we give them real responsibilities and opportunities while they are with us.
One of the things that's important to us, within the co-op program, is being a mentor, being that, professional advice giver to everybody that walks through our door, really treating them like we would want anybody to treat our siblings or, our friends or family if they're doing an internship. We're going to try to give them the best experience here possible, but if they decide, this isn't their passion, they want to try something else out, our goal is still the same at the end of the day. When they leave our co-op program, we want them to be well-rounded individuals. We want to have given them every, piece of advice that we can to make them successful in the future. And I think that's one thing that separates us from other co-op programs.